From select menu, choose subject, then right click on the selection and choose layer via cut. Now tap on background layer and from new fill or adjustment layer, select solid color and tap on white color. Click on layer 1 and make a selection by using elliptical marquee tool. Use arrows on keyboard to move it and tap Ctrl T to show free transform tool. Now resize the selection and tap enter to confirm. Then right click on it and choose save selection. Again right click on the selection and choose layer via cut. Right click on image and load your selection and move it a little bit. Again right click and layer via cut. Now rename the layers by double clicking on them. Then move each layer to a side so you have enough space to edit them. Go to other image and select the part you want to add to the main image. Move it using move tool, then tap Ctrl T to use free transform tool and make some changes. Now do the same for the next layer. When finished, just rotate them if you like to. Now go to the other image and select the part you want to add on the head. Do the same you did before. Tap E to use eraser tool and delete extra parts. Move the head to its right place and rotate it. Now tap B key to use brush tool and click on the brush icon on the top of Photoshop and below the menu items to toggle to brush setting panel. Now rotate the brush and make some shadows. That's all. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.